to the woman that had the comment about having premenopausal insulin-resistant PCOS, thank you for your comment. Thank you for letting us know what you're suffering with. And don't worry, we know how you feel because so many of our patients have this very condition when they come in. They've had this, diagnosed, and they certainly are in the throes of it. They're experiencing all the negative side effects, which there's a bunch of them. I'm not discounting that at all. I totally acknowledge that. But what they find is once they start to regulate their blood sugar, that's that insulin resistance that we're talking about, and get some other things in control with the inflammatory situation that's going on in the body, and regulate just a few other situations in the body, that things just start to smooth out and everything starts to unravel and unwind from that PCOS diagnosis. So if that's what you're looking for, come see us. You're only an hour away. We'd love to help.